Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. Today we are making a very famous Indian sweet called as Mathura Sweet Peda. This sweet is made during festivals and it is very close to the dharwad peda, which is made with cottage cheese, and it is cooked for a longer time to achieve the brown color. But this recipe is a super easy version of it made with milk powder. So into a pan add some ghee and some milk powder and immediately start mixing it, and whenever you see those brown spots in the milk powder, don't worry, just break that using your spatula and mix it with the milk powder. And within few minutes you can see it starts to change its color. Always keep the flame on medium to low. In between add 1 tablespoon of ghee and mix it. So total we are adding around 4 tablespoons of ghee for this entire sweet. In between, don't forget to break the brown spots and mix it with the milk powder. And after mixing for around 7 to 8 minutes, we achieve this beautiful brown shade. And after getting this brown shade, add 1 more tablespoon of ghee into this mixture. Now at this stage, you can start adding milk into this mixture. So total we need around 1 cup of milk, but add it little by little and mix it. And when you add milk into this mixture, it will start getting lumpy, but don't worry, that's the way it should come. Once you incorporate the entire milk into this powder, add 1 more tablespoon of ghee and mix it. Now the peda mixture is ready. Now you can turn off the flame, and when it is still warm, transfer it into a blender and pulse it for 2 to 3 times. Now add the entire mixture into a large mixing plate. Now when the mixture is warm, ready to touch, add some cardamom powder into it and some Bura Sugar. Now this is the particular sugar used in most of the Indian sweets, and very soon I'll be uploading the recipe for this particular sugar. Now mix everything really well. Now take around 1 tablespoon of this mixture and start rolling it between your palms. And this sweet doesn't have any specific shapes, so just simply roll it and make all the pedas. Normally this sweet is made with mawa, which you have to stir for hours to get this brown shade. But making this sweet just with milk powder made our task so easy. Even if you see some cracks on top of these pedas, don't worry, because we're gonna give a coating for it with sugar. Now you can take some powdered sugar or the same Bura Sugar and coat all these cute little pedas in it. Now if you don't want to coat this one by one like this, just add the entire peda and powdered sugar into a large bowl and just give 2-3 toss. But just be careful not to break any pedas. And when you add sugar into these pedas, just keep in mind that the milk powder is already sweet, so add sweet accordingly. Now our sweet little milk pedas are ready, so definitely try out this recipe during this festival and leave your valuable comments in the comment section below. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot and watch more amazing videos from our channel. Thank you.